Welcome to Navigate Setup, your Salesforce work home. In this video, we will guide you through the essential aspects of the setup menu and help you become a proficient Salesforce administrator. After watching this video, you'll be able to locate the setup and identify its key elements, identify important menus for customizing your org, use Quick Find to access menu items. As a Salesforce administrator, you'll spend a significant amount of your time in setup. It's your hub for customizing, configuring, and supporting your organization. With so much to do, it's crucial to become familiar with navigating the setup menu. Here are a few ways to make it work for you. To access setup, you can start from any page within your Salesforce org. Just click on the gear icon at the top of the screen and select Setup. Now let's explore the setup area. Here are the primary components of the setup area. Object Manager. It's where you can view and customize both standard and custom objects in your org. Setup Menu. This menu provides quick links to various pages for user management, security settings, and more. Main Window. This is where you see and work on what you need. The setup menu can be a bit overwhelming because of its many pages, but there are two ways to find what you need. If you already know where to look, expand the relevant menu and select the page. If you're unsure, use the Quick Find box to search. The setup menu is divided into three main categories: administration, platform tools, and settings. Let's explore what each category offers. Administration, manage users and data, permissions, data imports, and email templates. Platform tools, customize data models, create apps, modify the user interface, and manage code if you're into programmatic development. Settings, handle company information, org security, business hours, and more. To kickstart your journey, here are the top 5 setup pages you must know about. Company information. Get an at-a-glance view of your org. Find your org ID and monitor crucial limits. Users. Reset passwords, manage user accounts, and view user information. Profiles. Control who sees what with user profiles and create custom profiles. View setup audit trail. Monitor changes in your org, find out who made changes, and use it for troubleshooting. Login history. Keep track of login history for security and adoption monitoring. Congratulations! You've now taken your first steps in navigating the Salesforce setup menu. With these key elements and essential pages at your fingertips, you'll become a proficient Salesforce administrator in no time. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.